In this video, we will break down how to make this. First, we will create the artboard. Usually this is the size I work with, it close to the size of the movie posters, but works well for Instagram. Here I tried to adjust the size because the idea I had works good with this size. Now we're going to bring the stadium ground and adjust it a little bit like this, as you can see. Now we're going to bring the player's PNG images. You can find it in the pack I launched recently. You will find the link in the description. Here, as you can see, I'm going to replace the upper body of the player with another form that match the vibe of the poster, and I used pen tool. Now, I'm going to place all the players. This step is very important. It will either make your design stand out or ruin it. This skill can be improved by visual inspiration and practicing. Now we're going to move to the background part, and it's not less important than the previous one. You can use gradient as a background or sky, or keep it white. Here I used a sky image. Here I'm trying to adjust brightness and contrast and increase the saturation for more vibrancy. In this step, basically, every time I use a method, it depends on the design and the elements. Here, I have a dark background. I tried to use color fill and blend it, as you can see, and then I decrease the opacity until it looks good. After that, I apply the same thing to the other players and I adjust the opacity only. To create highlight and shadows, I use level adjustment layer for the light. I use level on-screen blending mode, and for shadows, I put it on multiply. Also, I use selective color for the skin tone. This one is like a cheat code in the football graphics. Here, I created the source of light using the regular brush. And now I'm going to create the highlights or rim lights using hue and saturation, and make sure to click on colorize to get the same result. And we're going to duplicate it and use it on other players. added here a color lookup, which you will find in the pack, also in the description. For me, this is a very important element. And as you can see here, my dear Photoshop crashed and my heart crashed with it. So I had to record it from the beginning because I didn't save the PSD. Please turn on auto saving, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.